there is a notion which has been created out there since the arraignment of the Controller of Budget yesterday, that perhaps the office of the Controller of Budget is now vacant, or somehow the Controller of Budget is now impeded from performing her functions. Let me go further, Mr. Speaker, to draw attention to the provisions of Article 251 of the Constitution. Under Article 251 of the Constitution, Mr. Speaker, sub-Article 1, a member of a commission or the holder of an independent office, such as, of course, the Controller of Budget, may be removed from office only for one serious violation of the Constitution or any other law, including contravention of Chapter 6. B, gross misconduct, whether in the performance of the members or the holders' functions or otherwise. And C, physical or mental incapacity to perform the functions of the office. D, incompetence, and finally E, bankruptcy. And then it goes on to set out how such a removal can be initiated, and so on and so forth. Mr. Speaker, finally, I want to draw attention to the provisions of the Controller of Budget Act. Section 4, which of course just underscores what the Constitution already provides for. Subsection 1, the office of the Controller of Budget shall become vacant.
Honorable Wandayi, I'm still at a loss as to what you want.
Yeah.
And you whistling in the dark?
No, I'm just actually laying a foundation for my submission, which I'll conclude very, very quickly. Yes.
You know what whistling in the dark means?
No.
Okay.
I know.